In case you're taking supplements which are vitamins and minerals, yes, you can pause. Absolutely fine to stop any of those things. When your sugar levels go below 50, I will give you some kind of a fasting snack there. What is the quality of the minerals you're taking? What kind of exercises can you do during the fasting period? If you're taking the regular supplements, yes, you can stop. Yes, you can stop. Now, this is going to be an important topic for most of you all because you have a lot of doubts to be clarified here. Hey Geeta, can I continue with my supplements during fasting state? And if I have to continue, what are those things which I can continue? What are those things I have to stop? What kind of medication can continue and medications which I have to stop? Okay, let me tell you. In case you're taking supplements which are vitamins and minerals, yes, you can pause. Because during fasting, we give you all of those things in the form of micronutrients essential to replenish the body. Alright, I will do a demonstration of what are those things in the video. But now your potassium, your magnesium, your sodium, which are really important to keep you in that fluid state, to keep you in the state of good energy levels, you will be given during the fasting period in the form of water. So absolutely fine to stop any of those things. But if you're on some medication, like sugars, like BP, take a check from your doctor and then proceed. Take a check from your doctor and then proceed. Do a little experiment and see how the body is reacting. And like the way I told you, your glycometer will help you, give you the indication whether it is going below. Because when your sugar levels go below 50, I will give you some kind of a fasting snack there. Maybe an olive, or a little of avocado, or maybe some cheese to bring your sugar levels back. All right. So if you're taking the regular supplements, yes, you can stop. Absolutely okay to do that. But will it disturb you? I don't know what is the quality of the minerals you're taking. So go ahead to take the risk and see if it works for you. So multivitamins and minerals, you can give a pause for this few days. As regards other medication, you can try it out after you have a conversation with your doctor. All right. And when it is coming to exercise, what kind of exercises can you do during the fasting period? I strongly recommend that you do your walking, you do your yoga kind of a thing, and small lifting weights. Go ahead, do it. If you're a part of the Confident Queens Club live workout modules, continue this because these are not intense. But if you're looking at some marathon running or high intensity interval training, go slow. Go slow. You can schedule them after the fasting period is over. You will see a burst of energy to do those exercises. But during this less than between 30 to 70 hours fasting stage, my humble request is do your regular routine exercises. A little of yoga stretches will be great. But if you're a part of the Confident Queens Club, you can follow all of those exercise regimes and do. It's going to be awesome. It will help you regulate your sugar levels and give you great benefits. So what can I drink during fasting? What can I eat during fasting? And during these days, what should I do? All these doubts in the next video I'm going to clarify. Before you start the fasting, how do you replenish your body? After you complete the fasting, how do you replenish the fasting? And during the fasting period, what are the drinks, not foods, what are the drinks you can have during that time? I'm going to explain to you in the next video. Stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you.